What's up, guys? Welcome back to Appgeeker channel. Today, we're going to show you how to transfer photos from one iPhone to another without using iCloud. Whether you're upgrading to a new iPhone or sharing pictures with another iOS device, these three methods are simple and effective. So, let's get started. Usually, if you want to move all your photos from your old iPhone to new iPhone, the iCloud would be the first quick solution. However, many users may seek for other approaches due to the lack of cloud storage or poor internet connection. But don't worry. In this video, we'll get into 3 quick and easy ways to transfer photos between iPhones without iCloud. The first method we're gonna use is the iTunes. As a media content manager within the Apple ecosystem, iTunes allows you to back up your iPhone pictures to a computer, and then sync them to another iPhone. You don't need to use your iCloud storage or Apple ID. The latest version of iTunes works for any iPhone, iPad, even the newest model. So, if you're using a Windows PC, or a Mac running macOS 10.14 or earlier, you can download and install iTunes and make the iPhone photo transfer. If you're using a macOS version later than macOS Mojave, you can use the Finder on your Mac. Okay, when you open the iTunes, or Finder, now, connect the source iPhone. If asked, unlock your device and trust your computer. When this tiny phone icon shows up at the top, click on it. Then, choose the Summary tab from the left side. Scroll down a little bit. In the Backup section, check this computer. This is to get all your photos from your iPhone to your computer. So, when you're ready, hit this Backup Now button to create a manual copy of your iPhone content. Okay, it may take a few minutes here if you have a large photo library stored on your phone. Once done, unplug your device and get the target iPhone connected to your computer by a USB cable. And then, click the device icon right here. This time, go to the Photos tab from the left, and select the checkbox next to Sync Photos. To sync photos to your iPhone, choose All Photos, and click on Apply button to start transferring. And that's it. Without using iCloud or the internet, all photos are transferred from your iPhone to another. But keep in mind that this method is gonna erase the existing photo library on the target iPhone after the syncing. If you're transferring photos and everything to a totally new iPhone, it wouldn't be a problem. But if you don't want to suffer from data loss, we've got another option for you. The iPhone Data Transfer by Appgeeker. It's a cross-device data transferring tool. You can use it to transfer data from an iPhone to another, or from your iPhone to a Windows PC or Mac, and vice versa. It supports iPhone photos, videos, music and basically every file type you want to move from one iPhone to another. And it's very easy to use. With only 3 steps, we can transfer photos from iPhone to iPhone, without using iCloud. So, firstly, install and open it on your PC, or Mac. I'll drop the download link below this video, or you can visit appgeeker.com to get it. Okay, then, connect both of your iPhones. From the top of its main screen, select the source iPhone you want to transfer photos from. And then move to the Photos tab on the left side. Now, we're able to access and preview the photo library on the sending iPhone. You can also switch to another device at the top selector. Okay, now, you can simply check all pictures, or just choose specific images that you want. And then, hit this device icon at the top toolbar, and pick the other iPhone you just connected. All selected items will be transferred to the new iPhone automatically, and no current data will be erased or replaced. It also supports other kinds of data files. You can use it as an all-in-one solution for all transfer from or to your iPhone, or iPad. Alright, the last method we're gonna show you is the AirDrop. If your cloud storage is full, or you just want to share a few photos with your friend, AirDrop is definitely the quickest way to transfer pictures from iPhone to iPhone without iCloud. So, when the 2 iPhones are close to each other and within the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth range, simply enable the AirDrop on your control center. And then open the Photos app. Find the picture you want to send, and tap on the share icon. If you'd like to transfer multiple photos at a time, swipe left and right to pick everything you want. From the sharing list, choose the AirDrop. Your device will automatically detect and display all AirDrop uses nearby. So, simply select who you want to share the picture with, and tap on the name. The pictures you select will AirDrop to another iPhone directly. The process incredibly fast and straightforward. However, when dealing with a large number of pictures, you might find that using iTunes or iPhone data transfer tool offers a more efficient solution. And there you have it. 3 easy methods to transfer photos from one iPhone to another without using iCloud. Whether you prefer the simplicity of AirDrop or the added features of a third-party app like iPhone data transfer, you now have the tools to share your precious memories effortlessly. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future tech tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.